Stéphanie, pourquoi tu te mets? T'es pas fait jouer, non, Stéphanie.
Then we talked about this.
Then
we talked about this.
Non, j'ai mal. Non. Stéphanie, pas.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes.
Hello guys, bienvenue sur channel Albert's Family. Non pas c'est Stéphanie, je nous connais déjà. Jodi gen apporter une autre vidéo pour nous qui c'est un prank. Nous pas. I'm coming. Je ne sais là. Jeff na toilette. I am pranking him, telling him that I sold his PS5 and his PS4. So I told him to get ready. We're going out, but we're not really going out. We're probably going out later. So my parler piti because he's in the bathroom. Get my sauté. So see you guys later. Yep, he's still in the bathroom. He doesn't know j'aime d'habitude noir, il pas connaît. Il va connaître ça, so me dit n'a sorti, so just pour habiller lui, so me fait l'habiller JJ. Hey, JJ, you wanna say hi? JJ. JJ. C'est garçon ça on méprise lui. Look at JJ. Yeah. Yeah. Content? Yeah, nous allons faire ça. Well, so see you guys. Je ne vais pas parler fort parce que my hair is not even done yet, so yeah. As I told you guys this morning, we're going out. I think I should just put something in my hair, but my hair is not done. It's okay, I don't mind my hair like this. I don't have to wear wigs all the time. This is me, this is my natural hair. So, just gonna do it like this. That's it. And Jeff is ready. J'ai pas habillé même chanson avec, and I think that's okay. You ready? So should we?
Comment ça fait? Comment ça fait la vie?
What are those? When is it supposed to be for your watch?
What? Let me see.
This.
Who's that?
Ça va tout montrer.
Mon chéri.
We have to fix this, Jeff.
What?
All those stuff on the TV.
Stéphanie, pourquoi tu te mets? T'es pas fait jouer, non, Stéphanie.
Then we talked about this.
Then
we talked about this.
Non, j'ai mal. Non. Stéphanie, pas fait jouer ça,
This is not a game. Remember, was it on Sunday or when?
Ah, Stéphanie.
Jeff, do you remember? I told you I sold them.
C'est faut pas même qu'on déploie par ça. Pour souder tes balles, ah?
Jeff, me vendu.
Stéphanie, pas de jeu, ça va mal déshabiller.
Jeff, no. What femme, il pas fait ça. Jeff, me dit m'a vendu, même sérieux. Me dit m'a vendu. Me fait cadeau PS4 là, me vend PS5 là.
Fais cadeau PS4, PS5.
Yeah, I'm fais cadeau PS4 là dans groupe bagay Waltam nan.
Et bah, oui. Et pour oui. C'est pas une fête soit dans les mêmes.
I don't know.
Bah, fais ça.
Hey, jouet m'a fait? We need money, Jeff. That's what I sold the PS5.
You need money in a travail?
But no, I need cash now.
You need cash now.
And that's what I'm bringing you guys out. No cash in Vania.
Besoin de cash, cash en banque.
Ça l'a cherché comme ça. Tout le monde nous dit.
Stéphanie, seulement moi qui ai la vidéo.
Why are you so mad? You don't have time for family. That's why I told them.
I do have time for family.
Yeah, parce que l'on vient là ou a jouer non-stop. When you vient so travail, first thing you did is just prend game now. First thing you do every day. Ou prend game now. Non, essaye, me vendre livre, oui, Jeff. Non, c'est pas pour ça me vendre ni. C'est juste parce que me besoin de cob là. Parce que me besoin de cob là que fait me vendre ni. So we're not going out anymore?
Oh, bon, va y
But if I give them that sorti.
Ah, Stéphanie, c'est ce qu'on filme.
Why are you so mad?
Ouais, une boîte là. La vidéo, c'est sûr que je ça va.
Non, mon te vient avec bagay li pour le prendre lui. M'vend livre oui.
Sou faire voler jeu moi.
Comment voler là?
PS5 avec cocaïne lié.
Ou pas te battre connaître ça? So are we good? We can go now?
Go where?
If I put so bien so we can go out, Jeff, don't do this. But babe, I funny. What's I'm pas sérieux kunyala? You know what, I'm done. Let's go. We were supposed to vlog, remember? Pas vlog encore?
I'm mad.
Why are you so mad? It's just a game. Let's go.
Where?
We were just going out, Jeff. Come on, let's go. JJ's ready. Let's go. Comment parler first là? Chérie, n'a fin fait ça pour nous faire ensemble avec l'argent. OK? N'a fin fait ça pour nous faire avec l'argent, then on va acheter un lot. OK, then you save to buy another one. Sois pensé. Sois pensé, babe. Baby. Babe.
Mbala. Chaud.
Daddy's really mad at mommy. He's mad? J'ai vraiment fâché de ce dehors, hein? Il dit pas sorti. I don't know. Il va plus. Il va plus jouer encore, il va sortir encore. Et puis JJ a bon problème. JJ, qui côté me série? Your daddy's really mad over a PS5? Huh? Yeah. 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 Show the people what you can do. Show them. Oh my God. Let me call Jeff. He gotta come back inside the bus. He's mad. So I'm gonna give it to him. Guys, because m'bavle sa arrive pi loin parce que Jeff te vraiment remen jouet li. M'fè bagay la m'ap soué parce que m'pat konne action. Li pa ta poel non, li pa ta poel until mwen di l fò nou ranger bagay s televizyon, so So he is really mad. I'm gonna tell him it's a prank. So we can go out. I don't know where we're going parce que before police ferme jeudi because it's Labor Day, so we probably, I don't know. Let's go have brunch. Maybe tap chiffon net, really, ma'am. You know what? Let me call Jeff right now. Video la posi la chercher la machine. Chérie, quoi me zoom vendre? Let's go. Hey, babe. What? Hey. Babe, we ready? Ouais, qu'on y a là, on va gagner pour les JJ encore. JJ! Parce qu'il va gagner pour le prendre.
Ouais.
So you ready? Babe, you don't have to be mad. It's a prank. I have the PS5 somewhere.
Stéphanie, tu déconnectes tout le bagage juste pour un point maintenant.
Which bag did I disconnect it? Are you ready? Are you still going out or you want the PS5 first?
PS5 first.
But from where les moun na pou pote l tourner, m'te ba moun mette la kay li. Parce qu'on t'a pas bouger toute kay la pour te jeune. Kay voisine nan li en bas.
Sérieux?
Yeah.
Avec pile petit monde des autres ça.
I don't think they'll touch it.
Et ça. Et bon. Depuis au cas ça va mettre maintenant.
All right, should I give it to you now? Or you still want to go out or are you still mad? You don't want to go out anymore.
Non, ma femme Stéphanie avant.
Are you going to go out after?
Stéphanie déconnecter tout le bagage ça.
Are you happy now? Now I have to find the other stuff. Hold on. Hey, don't touch anything, JJ. How's that? Are you still mad at me? JJ, don't touch this. Ok, lagi tangin diary. Si gen male yon bagay kase nan sa la, l'Eternel ou bi yon bagay fet, bon. Jefte tout fin avem. Dade moun amye. Jefte ap tout fin avem. E ou mem? Hop. Sorry. Dada's mad at me. Yeah, come. JJ, this way. No. JJ. Come help Dada. JJ. Babe, I got you. You're still mad. I don't know why. Gade m tout fort propre tes côtés. Ya. Babe, pour sortir avec moi, faut relax, sois pas fâché avec moi encore. Hein?
Bon travail pour matin. Bon pile travail pour matin.
Mais si tu es fâché avec moi, pas sortir. Ne pas sortir encore. You still mad at me? Are you still mad at me? Pourquoi si tu vendu tout bon, ça t'a fait? Ça y est, en balité, Jeff. Bye, noir. Franchement, je vais comme ça. Alright, baby, let's go. If you're not mad. Chérie, li ba gâté, hein, y'a pas de fait avec. What? What? Am I in trouble? Ooh, PS5. What? Jeff, come on. Pas gagné gâté dans bagay là. It's still the same. Quand on va soit gâté le bois du m'acheter l'autre. It's all good. But I got you good, right? I got you. Are you my friend now? Are you? Jifty, are you my friend now? If you're not, I have another prank coming.
That's good, Jifty.
Are you good?
No, it's okay.
Are you my friend now? Tell the people, are you my friend now? Still? Why? Why?
No, I'm not excited.
Then if you guys are still mad at me, we're not going. We ain't going nowhere. Right, JJ? I don't want to keep showing myself. My hair is not done. So, pour me faire Jeff pardonner, mener le manger. Le vieux pour manger, Jeff a pardonné. Right? So right now we have to wait. No, we're just having breakfast or brunch. I don't know what time is it now. We're not to place that, but it's packed. We gotta wait like 10 minutes. But babe, you look nice. But you just ashy. You're like ashy. And this is my baby. My baby's sleeping. Alright, I'll see you guys later. La montre nous ça nous manger. See ya. As you guys can see, we're out. We're gonna have breakfast. Et depuis c'est manger, on content. JJ. Mais quand y a une petite qui a quitté chita na high chair, c'est belle bagaille, hein? Regardez, ouais. JJ's having breakfast. JJ. You're so cute. What are you eating? Are you eating banana? So tout le monde content qu'on y a là, gen manger. So this is my breakfast. This is Jeff's. And we're having coffee. Pas carité en journée sans café qu'on y a là. So it's noisy inside, guys. Pas qu'on attendait moins bien. But I don't want to show myself parce que nous sommes pas payés. I'm okay, you know. JJ là, et bien je salue tout le monde. JJ, la fait machine. Lui want l'autre petit bébé le content. Babe, what do you want to say? You ready to eat?
Yep.
Kon yo content? Mettre one PS5 là plus tard?
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play. Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots